A good time to put seeds in the ground last night. Got a little flooding in the house. Well, what are you gonna do? Let's plant sweet potatoes. That storm yesterday was pretty brutal. We haven't had that much rain in a short period of time in a very long time. Check out the mulch and see what it's looking like. A few hours ago we had standing water here in the cabbage patch. But that's the thing with the deep mulch. We've got all that life in the soil. It takes and allows that water to get down into your garden really quickly. And on top, you wouldn't even think it rained at all. But that's one of the benefits of the deep mulch. Yeah, I knew where we planted that corn, it was gonna get watered in well. I'm gonna leave a little row, and then we're gonna plant some orange sweet potato slips. I'm gonna leave a row right here so we can walk in between, at least for a while. These do get really big. I'm just gonna take that down to soil. I'm just gonna open up where we're gonna plant. I'm gonna space these out just a little bit. That's all you gotta do. Take that down to soil. We did pretty well in this area last year. See if we can do a little better this year. So let me get some mulch moved, and then we'll start planting. And I really have no idea how many holes I was supposed to dig or how many slips I have here. We'll just go until we're done. These have grown really well. And these were just potatoes we left sitting on the counter. And as they started to make slips, we broke those slips off and put them in water. We have several episodes showing that. That'll be at the end of this one if you're interested. Just putting it down in the wet soil and mulch back in around it. It's very simple, and this soil is good and damp. Now remember, the entire thing will root, so you can go ahead and plant it in as deep as you want. The deeper the better, actually. Now, if you lose some leaves in this process, I would not worry about it. As long as you have roots down in the soil, they do come back with a vengeance. At least that's what I found. These haven't been off the plant long enough to really have the roots grow together. Get that down in there with just a little bit of mulch, and then leave some of the leaves up. Did that last time too. I opened up more holes than I needed. Well, that'll give us something to plant tomorrow. That's just how easy it is to plant your sweet potato slips. That'll give me 3 empty holes. I bet we can find something to plant in there. What do you think? But it's really just that easy. Now that storm did blow over this beet, broke it off. Yeah. These don't root very deep. There was a lot of weight on top of these two. I don't think we're gonna have any seeds that are gonna be viable off of this one. It's just gonna go in the mulch pile. Well, we got a couple more down in there that are going to seed, so we're still gonna get copious amounts. And I hope you join me for that. And what my old friend used to tell me, sometimes you eat the bear, sometimes a bear eats you. Then sometimes you get out here and eat strawberries. I can't explain how good that tastes. And you can do this too. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.